Hello viewers, this Too Fast here. This has definitely been a challenging year for many people around the world. I hope you guys are safe as we enter 2021. I want to wrap up 2020 with my personal best pick of car dash cameras. Now this is the best pick of dash cams that I reviewed this year. Often you'll find other YouTubers making recommendations for products that they themselves have not tested. The dash cams that I'll be recommending in this video are ones that I've actually tested and reviewed. I'll give you my honest opinion on which one performed the best. Now I do have detailed review videos on these dash cams, so after watching this video, if you want to learn more about it, check out the video links below. This past year I reviewed a total of 11 dash cams, and in this video I'll list the ones that performed the best, what feature it has, and how much it costs. Now when it comes to choosing a good dash cam, there are a couple of things to consider. First, it must have very good day and night video recording. If the recording is not good, there's no point in having it. It must record video clearly so you can read license plates in front of you. Secondly, the dashcam should be reliable and easy to operate. Okay, let's start with the best pick for a one-channel dashcam. Now I have to admit, I didn't really have a one-channel dashcam winner in 2020. But for those of you who are interested in getting a one-channel dashcam, I do want to give you a recommendation, and it's a dashcam that I reviewed a year ago. And that is the Rexing V1. Being a one-channel dashcam, it means it has a front-facing camera to film what's going on in front of the car. This dashcam records in Ultra HD 4K resolution. The daytime and nighttime recording is very good, and you can clearly see license plates in front of you. It has a 2.4-inch color LCD display, so you can view settings and video playback directly on the dashcam. This dashcam uses a supercapacitor instead of a rechargeable battery, so it can operate in extreme temperature environments from minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. This dashcam retails for $100, which is a great value for all the features you get. Now for those of you looking for a good quality 2-channel dashcam, meaning it has a front camera and a rear camera, and it can record both cameras simultaneously, then I recommend the VIOFO A129 Pro Duo. This dashcam has a front camera that records in Ultra HD 4K resolution and a back camera that records in Full HD 1080p. It uses a Sony Starvis image sensor to capture clear video both day and night. It has built-in Wi-Fi that you can connect to a mobile app for live view and view recorded videos. It also has a built-in GPS to record your speed and driving coordinates. This dashcam uses a supercapacitor instead of a rechargeable battery, so it can operate in extreme temperature environments. This VIOFO A129 Pro Duo is an excellent performer, and it retails for $249. Now if you're looking for a 3-channel dashcam, meaning it has a front-facing camera, rear-facing camera, and a third camera that faces the inside of your vehicle, then I recommend the Vantrue N4 dashcam. This is a very compact 3-channel dashcam that has a front camera that records in 1440p, and the back and inside camera records in Full HD 1080p. It uses a Starvis image sensor for excellent image quality. The video recording is very good both daytime and nighttime. This dashcam uses a supercapacitor so it can operate in extreme temperature environments. Being a 3-channel dashcam, this is perfect for people who do rideshare or taxi drivers because it will capture not just things happening outside the vehicle, but also what's happening inside. Now this dashcam retails for $250. Next, if you're looking for a 2-channel rear-view mirror dashcam, which has a large LCD display that functions as a rear-view mirror, and it comes with a front and rear camera, I've selected one that performed the best. This year I actually tested 5 of these mirror dashcams, and the winner is the AKASO DL12. First off, it has a large 12-inch LCD display, unlike most of the other ones which only has a 10-inch display. The front camera records in 2.5K resolution, while the back camera records in Full HD 1080p. It uses a Sony Starvis image sensor for excellent picture quality day and night. It comes with a GPS antenna for recording driving speed and driving coordinates. Now you'll be surprised when I tell you how much this cost. This dashcam retails for $110, and there's even a $20 coupon you can check off if you buy it on Amazon. So definitely consider this if you're looking for a mirror dashcam. The last category will be the premium dashcams that will cost quite a bit more. Now they offer very good video quality recording, excellent features, and are very reliable. For this category, I recommend the BlackVue DR750 2CH LTE dashcam. This is a 2-channel dashcam that records in Full HD at 60 frames per second, and this is a much higher frame rate than the regular 30 frames per second. This dashcam uses a Sony Starvis image sensor, giving you excellent daytime and nighttime video recording. It also has built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and 4G LTE connection. So the user can install a SIM card into the dashcam, and that'll give you remote live view of your vehicle anywhere in the country at any time. With this feature, it basically gives you the ability to track your vehicle if it's ever stolen. This is a very good dashcam, and it's what I currently run in my vehicle. The retail price of this is $420, and you can get it from BlackBoxMyCar. One last thing I want to mention is if you're serious about protecting your car while it's parked, you should really consider getting a dashcam battery pack, which will allow your dashcam to operate in parking monitor mode with the ignition turned off. Now for this to work, your dashcam will need to support parking monitoring. And once you have the battery pack installed, it can power the dashcam anywhere from 7 hours up to several days, depending on which dashcam you have. So for example, if you have the Thinkware U1000 dashcam with a radar module, the parking monitor mode on that dashcam can actually run for about 5 days with a battery pack. Another benefit is you don't have to worry about draining the car battery like you would with a regular hardwire kit. So for this, I picked the BlackBoxMyCar BI750 battery pack. It has 25% more capacity than other battery packs on the market and offers dual charging mode for faster charging. This battery retails for $298, which I know is not cheap, but if you're serious about protecting your car, then it's something you should consider. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in getting these products, I will include the links below along with the review videos of each product. Thanks to everyone for your support this past year. Stay safe and I'll see you in 2021. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.